Hi everyone, I'm Nan from SuperBee Wax Wrap. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beeswax wrap from our DIY kit. Let me introduce you our DIY kit. You can open it and you can see it comes with the instruction. You get our standard fabric, which are large, medium, and small. And also, you get 75 grams of our wax mixture. Okay, let's see how to make the beeswax wrap from our DIY kit in step by step. So the first step, you have to grate our mixture with the graters. And then you just place the baking paper on top of the towel. After that, you place a fabric on that baking paper and sprinkle the beeswax around. For the next step, you just place another baking paper on top of the fabric with wax and then start iron from the middle with the medium temperature. Make sure that the wax covers all the edges of the fabric. You can open the top baking paper to check and make sure that the wax absorbs all over your fabric. If you can see there are some spots that doesn't absorb with the wax, you can sprinkle more wax all that area and cover with the baking paper once again and start iron in that area. Once you see that it covers all of your fabric, you can open the top baking paper and slowly peeling your wax wrap out of the baking paper. Hold it for 30 seconds. And now, you got your own beeswax wrap ready to use. So you can see it's very easy, right? Thank you for watching, and you can purchase our super awesome DIY kit at superbee.me. See you later!